Welcome back, you whores. Okay, remember when
I set up that deal? If it weren't for me, you had no connection.
You need to shut your fucking ass up. I'm recording.
Like,
Hold up.
Christian. I'm sorry, guys. I apologize for my inappropriate behavior. I forgot Kara was
Don't
recording.
use my real name. Use my screen name.
What?
Okay.
Okay, Noah Turner's gonna say hi.
You're supposed to say hi.
What up, Negroes?
No, I'm gonna get demonetized.
The biggest scandal getting demonetized. You said Negroes.
The N-word surfacing.
Tana Mojo, we're gonna need to issue an apology.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Wasting my time right now.
Oh yeah, so update, she sent us a girlfriend request.
First off, let me tell you how well I'm pulling these home.
I styled that outfit. I was going for I spend most of my time listening to SoundCloud than doing my homework. So I'm just it's
my
working
mom's
out.
not very proud of me, but it's okay. Do you look at this shit? Do you want to be my
She paid you.
I said, hell yeah, hell yeah, bitch. She's like, okay. Fuck. I haven't had a girlfriend in forever. Hey, boo.
Is she on?
Hey, boo.
I don't think she's
Fuck
on.
off, Kiwa. Why are you
Can we get another girl? You gotta accept your girlfriend request first.
Yeah, I forgot.
We need to look like a player.
Taken by the best.
I have no girlfriend. Good night. We gotta change that status. What's gonna be?
Y'all see my chocolate, boo?
Y'all see my chocolate.
At Noah.
At Noah.
Why wasn't that restricted?
I know.
Why was that not
okay,
restricted?
so we're gonna go into a chat and we're gonna pull up more hosts because we want to look cool.
Update, we have to go into this one because we're trying to get a boyfriend now.
Oh my god, that's perfect.
I need to pull off the epic stunt right now. I need to do it.
Oh my god,
I've been on
biggest scandal in movie circles.
I've been on here for years and I've never gotten a boyfriend using a male account.
So what should we wear from? There's a fucking dress code. Sounds like Franklin. Mr. Garrethy?
Stop! You can't give away our location. Okay, so
the day I get my job, I'm coming over here.
Which one? What should we use?
I think I don't know.
You have to be a VIP, which is gay.
Maybe this. It looks like a eunuch sweater.
Get off my fucking gooch. Get out my ass. Comfy being me. It's about gay people.
Really?
Maybe. I'm only getting fame, I'm not getting money.
Take the cloud goggles off, they don't match.
Fuck off! I'm leaving them the fuck on, get my face.
Aww.
Oh, I accidentally pressed that again. I hate myself.
Moved it. Fuck you.
We're being accepted. Okay.
Why isn't it said that they wouldn't accept people even though being gay is by accepting everyone? But they wouldn't accept us because we wouldn't give them our coins?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh my god, there's money. Oh my god.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh.
She looks like fucking Jody.
Our guy kind of looks like Ruby Rose.
That's what I was thinking. When you look like a lesbian, when it wasn't your goal. Okay, since this is full of females.
Should we introduce ourselves as polygender? Polygender.
The fuck out of my face.
There's only 2 genders, guys. Pick which one.
Red, the blue. They can hear Noah.
They can.
Like, look, that thing like lights up.
Yeah, sorry guys. I get hella clout for talking to Noah Turner. Some of that cool.
Yes, there's a guy in here. There are two. This one has his shirt off.
My name is a boogie. I'm fucking down with that. Hey, a boogie.
Come on.
I'm bye.
Come on.
Sorry, you look like some Bork out of jail.
Bork.
Bork. Friend me, friend him. ASAP.
Who's the hot boy here? Me.
Me. Yum.
Yeah, yeah. Why is Movie Star Planet stalling? Yes.
Ooh, friend request. Who's that?
Don't know.
It better be a half guy. Shit.
It's a girl. Fuck out my line.
Shame.
I'm gay.
I'm pan. How is that possible if there's two genders?
I'm sure there's a line that's carved, bitch.
I'm as straight as a ruler.
Yeah.
Girls are hot AF.
So are dicks. Fuck off. I'm just trying to get money. I'm getting fucking clout.
Oh, Jody's gonna promote our video.
I still like it.
Yeah, we fucking hate her. Fuck Jody Sue. Fuck Jody Sue Kagi.
I'm just saying that because she's not in our state.
I'm gonna give you her school so y'all can shoot it up. I love you, Jody.
I'm not kidding. So. Look at my face. Let me change.
Wait, is there any way you can buy like the dab action?
Yeah, there actually is one.
Wait, no way.
Yeah, seriously.
Can we waste the money on that? Please?
This was harder in cash. I don't know if that's how I
Fuck
feel.
off.
He has a girlfriend, never mind.
I hate straight guys. They're the worst. I'm sorry, I shouldn't assume so quickly. Considering we have a girlfriend and we're bi.
Come on. Give me a gay boy. I'm sure one of these girls are like an actual guy.
For sure. Like us.
Oh, fuck.
Just find out how hot they are.
Honestly, none of them are.
It's true.
You should.
Us ugly bitches.
You know,
hiding
I had an epiphany. Hold the fuck up.
What?
Hey, let me leave this gay chat.
Do you want to show them your old pictures?
No, I do not.
Where you pretended to be a guy?
I like wolves.
Padfoot is from Harry Potter. Potter fancy man. You sound absolutely disgusting.
Fuck off.
This is honestly my favorite part of your Movie Star Planet.
That's not what I'm doing.
Why is everyone emo? My slime.
I'm a rat.
I want to see where else their slime comes from.
Shut up!
Is that illegal? Would that be child pornography?
I'm trying to find a boy in here.
Oh, never mind. That says queen. Oh, there's old Zan.
Fuck out my face. I love him. He's so cute. Jim Sheree. Jiminy, Sheree. He's cute, but he's straight.
It's probably fake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love just
Waves. That girl can fuck off.
Oh,
I put my hair in a pony.
That looks like Dylan.
I made coke coins. Emo kibbles.
I made coffee. 10-minute ad revenue, almost there.
We're gonna stop this video at 10:01. Ugh, still ugly.
Milk.
Let me save you. Oh, you can save me any day. Great.
You posted 2 things. Hi, Daddy.
Can we like cross-reference that photo to see where it came from? Oh, he's a jerk. Oh, he's a snack.
He's dating a boy. Yes. I'm gonna rip them to shreds.
What?
Alright, please hit my line. I'm gonna send him a message anyway.
You cute. How to get hosed.
Alright, please hit my line. You cute.
This is gonna be a multi-part series just because it takes a lot to teach people how to get hosed. It's a process.
I'm trying to. This one's gonna be in 2 parts because getting girls are easy, getting boys are not easy.
I miss her. Who's her?
That was Callie.
Keep calling B emo LOL.
These are my favorites. You know how like you wanted to kill yourself when you were in like 6th grade?
Yeah.
I feel like never left.
Yeah, it's him. Looks just like him. If it wasn't, they would be like twins.
Oh,
Me neither. You kind of look like Jacob Sartorius.
that was the nicest thing I've ever heard in my whole life. Sure, he looks kind of like an elf. Is that you?
Well, yeah.
That might be me. I don't really know.
I'm sorry.
That was
Is
my
that your
hand.
hands?
the right there, the black.
Oh my god.
I'm just saying.
Holy shit.
No comments.
Oakley.
No comments. 19 views, 2 likes.
Damn.
I still look like that. My nose is bigger now though.
Kara.
I was really.
That is recent. You have the same
I
pop
need
socket.
to show you. Yeah, I know. I had to put up some new ones. People don't like emos anymore.
Use me, hunty.
My hair's just up there.
Hunty, use you for what?
I want a date. Look at these are all full of gay guys. Look.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay. I remember I used to talk to this guy too. I thought he was nice.
But Aaron. Oh, he's a cute little boy. He's single.
You realize we're gonna have to block her girlfriend, right?
Hide your girlfriends. Hide your boyfriends.
Use you for what? Any form of attention.
Fucking mood. You got that pop socket recently.
No, I didn't. I've had it for a while.
Pretty fucking recently, though.
It was like summer. 22
views!
Oh my god!
22 views!
So after wasting about
15 minutes?
Yeah, multiple hours on trying to find the dab action. I gave up. And this guy keeps inviting us to his game.
But it won't let us
And it won't
join.
let us go and play in it. And like I was trying to get
just
aboard.
wants to-
Hi, you gay?
Should we ask him? He's level 3. Looks like a Koreaboo.
You into
Are you
boy?
You into boy? Make it sound like we're Russian with like an accent and more people like us.
You
Broken
into
broken
boy?
Broken English.
You into boy, yes?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh no, the police are
Okay.
knocking on my door.
We will pick up in the next video soon. We got that 10-minute ad revenue.
What's right off?
Bye, bitches. New video at some point because I just asked that boy if he was gay, so we're gonna figure all that out. See ya. Bye, hoes.